Hey Paul, I just want to show you something real quick, create a video out of it and send it to you so that you can watch it on YouTube. And when you watch it on YouTube, I want you to tell me whether or not you see just this video that I'm sending you or other ones that I have created in the past. Anyway, I'll show you something in Microsoft Excel. I don't know if you'll ever use it, but it's kind of neat. I want to create a graph out of this. I've got 4 names of people in column D with 3 months of sales with the totals for the months as well as for the individuals. So if you remember your days of algebra, a graph is nothing more than the intersection of the x and the y axis. So in order to tell Microsoft Excel how to convert these numbers into a graph, we have to highlight them first as well as the labels. And I call this process, when I teach it to class, Tom's two-step, because that's all you need to know on how to create a graph. It's just 2 simple steps. So I'm going to highlight from here, D3. I'm not going to include the totals, but I'm going to stop on row 7, and I'm going to go over to column G, because that's where the 3-month period ends for March. So everything is going to be converted into a graph when I press one button on my keyboard. Okay, so we had to highlight the range first and press the F11 function key. And what Excel does is it creates a new sheet right in front of where the data came from. And there's the data. It's that easy. Now, some people like to say if they want to create a graph and have the graph on the same page where the data is, or data are grammatically. Data is a plural. But anyway, you still have to highlight the range, but you don't press F11. You go to the Insert tab right here, and there's a group called the Charts group with a whole bunch of graph types to choose from. I'll keep it real simple. I'll choose this one right here. And do I want it to be a 2-dimensional? Now a 3-dimensional gives you width and height and depth. Okay, so that's the one I'm going to choose. And just like that, I now have the exact same graph, but it's on the same page where the spreadsheet numbers are. All right, I can go into all kinds of other things, but I just want to keep this real simple. I want to keep it under 3 minutes. So again, let me know when you get this and you open up the video in YouTube. Let me know if this is the only one that you see or if you see some of my other ones. All right, thanks, Paul. Bye.